Meaning of diamantine.
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 Diamantine. The term diamantine refers to something that is as hard and unyielding as a diamond. It is often used to describe the physical properties of a substance or material that is extremely hard and resistant to wear, such as certain types of metal or stone. The word comes from the Latin term diamant, which means diamond. In essence, something that is diamantine is incredibly durable and resilient, able to withstand significant amounts of pressure and wear without breaking or deteriorating. Its hardness is comparable to that of a diamond, which is widely regarded as one of the hardest naturally occurring materials on Earth.